So today I'm going to explain the use of interface. You know that interface by default it is by default it is a public, and the method or variables whatever we declared into the interface, it is going to be public. So here I'm going to create one display method. Display method. How we can use this method into this the or implement this method. I have created one interface I called iDisplay. Inside this I have created one method display. I'm going to use this method into the concrete class. So I'm going to create one mobile class. Okay, so I have given this taken this here mobile and implements I display. So you can see here you are getting the red line. So it is saying that you must implement the methods. So which methods it is talking about? This display method I have declared. Once we have implement, we must declared the body of this display method. No, I'm not going to only display. This is a mobile class. Now I have created one interface, one concrete class. Inside the concrete mobile class, I implement the iDisplay and override this display method. Now I am creating another class called demo, where I will have the method main method, and inside this main method I will create the object of the mobile class, new mobile class. Now I'm going to call this display method. When I run this demo, I will the output will be the mobile class here in the you can see here this mobile class. Okay, now I'm going to change something inside this mobile. I'm declaring one private variables integer mobile id. Okay, and one more string mobile name, suppose. Now to access these private variables of this mobile class, we need public method. So here what I'm going to do, as of now I'm going to create a constructor, and inside this constructor I'm going to call the mobile id and a string. So just when I will create an object here, so I will pass this mobile id like 1001000 and mobile id iPhone 12 Pro. Now this mobile id and this mobile name I wanted to show from the display method, and this display method is here. But when I run and I pass, I cannot see the because why? Because I have not set it the mobile value, and I have not get the value into the display. Still, if you see here in the mobile class, you can see that mobile class only have this statement. So how will I access this mobile ID and mobile name in from the display? So when I create the constructor, I need to set the value mobile ID equals to mobile ID. See here, I use the mobile this keyword of why? Because this this is the class variables mobile ID, and this is the local variables. So to identify the class variables, I use this keywords. So this keyword represents the current class. This dot mobile name equals to mobile name. Okay. Now in the mobile class, what I can I do? I will display this mobile ID like this, and I'm giving this tab. Then I am giving this mobile. This dot directly call this mobile ID, and this. Now, similarly, I do this print in. Sorry, where mobile name. I'm giving some formatted, uh, you know, so that the user can easily identify that what is happening. Now, I have changed the mobile display method inside the mobile class. Now run this. See here, I can see the mobile ID and mobile name. So I have created this display method. Why? Because I wanted to access in a different class, like in other class. Suppose I have created one another class named a book, books. Okay, I have created these books. Now I wanted to show the same. Uh, mm, mm, I wanted to show the book ID and book name when I create the object of the books, but using the similar display method. Here, what can I do? I implement this I display. Again, it will say not implemented. So I am going to display. Here, I'm going to sort this book class. Now, when in I go to this demo class and I create one object of this, okay, and I created the display method. When I run, it will go and fetch the display method which is override into the mobile, and also fetch the display method which is override into the book class. So you can get this output, right? Now the display method why I have used, because this display method is going to be overridden in a different class. Like I have three or more than three classes which has the different attributes, like books, like mobile. So here I have created one display method, and I'm calling this display method in a different concrete class via this interface. Hope you understood this concept. Thank you.